Hey lovely people, welcome back to another episode of Stitches Beads Collection. I'm Miss Stitches. Today I want to share with you how to make the DIY vintage pearl bag. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Let's get started. Materials needed. So we are going to make the base for the medium size vintage bag. So as we started with a small one, we are picking 5 beads. Then we cross with 1, adding up to 6. So we still get something like a ring. So we join both ends and fix 1 bead. All we are trying to do here is to fix it in the middle. So after you get something like a mini flower, a beautiful pearl flower. So to extend or expand or make the base of the bag big, you pick one small bead on one side and then fix 1 big one, then 1 small again, and then 1 big, and then last small bead. So with the last one, you cross with the other side. So you get something like this. Then you repeat the same process. You pass the fish line through 1 round bead. By this time you fix 1 red bead first, then 1 white bead, then 1 red bead again, and you cross both sides with the last white bead. So you repeat the same process to this side, and I'm going to do it off camera. So with the last part, you pass the thread or fish line through the last red bead, then to the white bead, then you pick 1 red bead, then 1 pearl bead, Then you pick the last red bead and cross it with the other end. Now you see your beads is becoming bigger than the previous one. Now you pass the thread or the fish line through the next red bead, so it comes out from the other end of the red bead, and then fix one pearl bead, and then 2 red beads, and then you cross with another white bead. Now with the second part, you pass the thread through the second pearl bead, as you can see, and then fix one red bead and cross with one pearl bead. With the next part, you pass the thread through the 2 red beads, then you pick 2 red beads and cross with one pearl. So we are still trying to make the beads a little bigger, okay? We are trying to make the beads a little bigger. So you repeat the same process to the end. So I'm going to do the rest off camera. Now with the last part of the beads, you pass the thread or fish line through the 2 pearl beads. Then you cross with 1 red bead. Yes! Now here is our full size bead. Okay, so as you can see, the base of the bag is bigger than the previous ones. Now we are going to start making the body of the bag. So you pass the thread through 1 red bead. It can be from any side, okay? So you get the thread coming out of both ends, as you can see in the video. Then you fix 1 pearl bead, and then 2 red beads, and then we cross with 1 pearl bead. Repeat the same process, passing the thread or the fish line through 2 red beads. By this time, you pick 2 red beads on the empty side and then cross with 1 pearl bead again. So with the last part, you pass the fish line through the 2 red beads. Then through the last pearl bead. Then you fix 1 red and cross with 1. Now we can see the body of the bag is forming. So beautiful and cute. With the next part, you pass the thread through 1 red. So the end or the fish line will come out of 2 sides. Then we start the next section. So this is what we are going to keep doing throughout the making of the body of the bag. So we are still on and on. I just wanted to try something different. That is why I used the black color. So we are almost done with our bag, and as we can see, our bag is fully formed. So cute and beautiful. It's very handy. So we are finally done with the body of the bag, and it's time for us to make the handle. So please stay with me and watch how to make the handle. So we pass the fish line through so we can get it on the same end or the same place. So with the handle, I used 11 red beads and 10 pearl beads. Now we are going to fix the other side of the handle to the right opposite part. Okay, so like in the middle. So please watch me as I do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 18 beads and you divide it into 2. So you just have to pass the thread or fish line through everything to make the handle firm. So after passing everything through, you cut off the excess thread or fish line, and here we go. Beautiful pearl bag. So after the handle, you just fix in your sack bag. And we are finally done with our vintage pearl bag. Please comment and share. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more of my tutorials. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. See you in my next video and bye.